Welcome to Learn English Moments.
In this video, you will listen to real English conversations.
These are daily life conversations.
Listen carefully and try to understand.
If you understand these conversations,
You understand real English.
why are you still in bed? It's already morning and you're not even trying to wake up. Every single day, it's the same thing, and I'm honestly tired of repeating myself.
I know it looks bad, but I'm really exhausted today. My body feels heavy and my mind is not clear. I just need a little understanding.
Understanding? I've been understanding for months. You promise to change and then nothing happens. Do you know how stressful that is for me?
I don't mean to stress you out. I've been dealing with a lot of pressure at work, and it's affecting my sleep more than I expected.
Everyone has pressure. That's not an excuse anymore. You can't keep blaming work, stress, or sleep every time something goes wrong.
I'm not blaming anyone. I'm just explaining how I feel because you asked. I'm trying to be honest with you.
Being honest is good, but action matters more. Words don't fix anything if you don't change your behavior.
I understand that, but change doesn't happen overnight. I'm doing my best, even if it doesn't look like much right now.
Your best used to be better than this. Lately, it feels like you've given up, and I'm the one carrying everything.
That's not fair. I haven't given up. I'm just struggling, and I don't know how to balance everything perfectly.
Life doesn't wait for balance. Responsibilities don't disappear just because you're struggling.
I know that, but support would help more than criticism. When you talk like this, it makes me feel worse, not better.
I'm not trying to hurt you. I'm trying to wake you up, both literally and emotionally.
Then please talk to me, not at me. I need a partner, not another person telling me I'm failing.
I want to be your partner, but I also need you to meet me halfway.
I will. I promise I'll try harder, starting today.
Then get up now and prove it with action.
All right, I'm getting up. I don't want to lose your trust.
You're late again, and this is becoming a serious problem. I need to know if you understand how this affects the team.
I do understand, and I'm truly sorry. I didn't plan for the delay, but things didn't go as expected this morning.
That's not the issue. The issue is that this keeps happening, and excuses don't change the result.
You're right. I should have managed my time better, and I take responsibility for that.
Your work quality is good, but professionalism is not just about skills. It's also about discipline and reliability.
I agree with you. I don't want my mistakes to affect how you see my dedication to this job.
Then you need to show improvement, not just talk about it. I need consistency from you.
I understand the expectations, and I'm willing to make changes to meet them.
This is your final warning. I don't want to repeat this conversation again.
I appreciate your honesty and the chance you're giving me. I won't waste it.
Good, because potential means nothing without responsibility.
I'll prove that you can rely on me moving forward. Hey, you look tired today. Are you okay? You don't seem like yourself. I'm not really okay. Life has been a little overwhelming lately. I feel like I'm running in circles and getting nowhere.
I understand that feeling. Do you want to talk about it? Sometimes sharing can help more than you think.
I don't know. I just feel stuck. Nothing seems to motivate me anymore, and even when I try, it feels pointless. I've been there too. It's normal to feel this way sometimes. Life doesn't always go as planned, and it's okay to feel lost for a while.
But I feel guilty. I see everyone else moving forward, achieving their goals, and I'm just here.
Comparison can make anyone feel worse. You're only seeing the outside, not all the struggles people go through privately.
I guess, but I can't shake this feeling that I'm falling behind.
You're not falling behind. You're learning, growing, and surviving. That's more important than being ahead of someone else. It's hard to remember that sometimes. I just feel exhausted.
Then rest. Taking care of yourself isn't weakness. It's the first step to getting back on track.
I always feel guilty when I rest, like I should be doing more.
Rest is part of doing more. Your brain and body need energy to create, to act, and to think clearly.
Thank you for saying that. I needed someone to remind me that it's okay to slow down.
I'm always here for you. You don't have to face things alone.
I feel a little lighter now, just talking to you. I really appreciate it.
Remember, small steps every day are better than trying to leap forward all at once.
I'll try. Thank you for being patient with me and listening.
Always. You're stronger than you realize, and I believe in you. Did you eat anything today? You look hungry and tired.
I didn't have time. I've been busy with work and errands.
Being busy is no excuse for neglecting yourself. You need to take care of your health first.
I know, but sometimes I just don't feel like eating and I want to finish my tasks.
Your tasks won't finish if your body gives out. You can't work properly without eating and resting.
You're right. I guess I've been ignoring that.
It's easy to forget, but it's important to build healthy habits. Even small meals at regular times make a big difference.
I'll try. I promise I'll eat something soon.
Good. And how about your studies or projects? Are you managing everything okay?
It's been challenging. I feel overwhelmed sometimes, but I'm trying my best.
Trying your best is all anyone can ask for. Don't be too hard on yourself.
Thanks. It helps to hear that. I often feel like I'm not doing enough.
Enough is subjective. Focus on progress, not perfection. One step at a time.
I understand. I'll remember that.
Now, eat something. Your energy matters, and don't forget to rest tonight.
All right.
I'll eat and take care of myself. Thanks for reminding me. I'm always looking out for you. Take care, and everything else will follow.
If you enjoyed this session, please like the video and subscribe to Learn English Moments. More calm English listening stories are coming soon.